guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arabella, or Nikki, and this is Arabella's Fabulous Life. Welcome to today's video. So, I put a poll on Instagram, on my Insta stories, of what you guys wanted to see. Did you guys want to see a get ready with me, which obviously I already did, so I didn't film that, or a story time? So I think it was like 73 to whatever, 34. I don't know. It was more people wanted to see a story time. So I've decided not today. Today's video is going to be a review video, first off. But I think tomorrow, give this video a like if you guys want to see a reaction video to the 4 apologies from Gabriel Zamora, Nikita Dragun, Laura Lee, and Manny MUA. I don't know if you guys know what's going on in the beauty community. If you don't, I will link a friend of mine. Her name is Sophie, I think, or something. But anyway, she runs a gossip channel called Here for the Tea. So I will link her video down below. There's 3 parts to it so far. Like, this is a very juicy gossip. And since I'm part of the beauty community, I figured I would do a reaction video, filming myself reacting to their apologies. Every one of them. So, I think I'm going to do that tomorrow. So give this video a like if you want to see that. So, today we're going to be doing a review on the 5-minute tooth whitening system from Natural White. Now, if you guys are old subscribers of mine, you guys know that I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. It is an entire whitening system for $1. Before we get into this, I want to stop the video. If you're not part of our Glam Squad, what are you waiting for? Go down and hit that subscribe button. Also, like I said, if you like the idea of tomorrow's video, give this a like so that way I know, and leave me a comment. Have you ever tried this or any other type of whitening system, and how did it work for you? So now that that's out of the way, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we're doing a review on the Natural White 5-minute teeth whitening system. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It cost $1. So I'm opening the package. Probably shouldn't do that with my teeth. I'm going to show you what comes inside the package. We're going to do it together, and then we're going to look at the results. So first, I want to show you what's in the package. So basically, you get the tooth whitening gel, and it is, network weight is 0.75 ounces or 21 grams, and then you also get the tray that comes with it. So this is what you get for $1. Next, I'm going to, up close, I'm going to show you my teeth. Right now, kind of yellow. I'm actually going to take some pictures for before and after, so give me 1 second here. Okay, so now that I have the before pictures of my teeth, and I'm seeing lights everywhere, let's put this on. So, the directions say, oh my gosh, like I stretched out the, anyway, it says, brush your teeth to remove any debris. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys along, and we're going to go brush our teeth. Hold on 1 second here. Oh, my toothpaste is out in the living room. I forgot. Let's turn on the light. I'm also washing dishes at this time, so okay. The toothpaste I use is the Crest Whitening Therapy. I'm going to set you guys right there while I brush my teeth. Okay, so we have now brushed our teeth, removing them of any debris. And my lipstick is still on. Go figure. Set you right back down. Okay, so the next step, I've brushed my teeth. Apply gel sparingly on the top and bottom of tray reservoirs. Leave tray in mouth for 5 minutes. Use morning and night. Remove tray from mouth, rinse tray, and store clean. Rinse mouth with water. Repeat until you achieve your desired shade of white. Okay, so going to see what the ingredients are. Water, glycerin, carbamide, hydrogen peroxide, ammonium hydroxide, and sodium stenatum, whatever the hell that is. Okay, so I'm applying a generous layer in the top and bottom of the tray. I'm going to put this in my mouth and we will come back in 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 8 minutes. Time to take it out and go rinse. I'm also washing the tray with antibacterial soap, so. Okay. Woo! All right, guys. So what do we think? Do we see any difference? Let me take a picture. Okay, so here at the end, I'm going to insert the pictures that I took beside each other in a collage so you can see the before and after. Now, do I think I'm going to necessarily see results after one use? No, I don't. Will I continue to use it? Yes, I will continue to use it morning and night until it is completely gone, and then I will update you guys. So, what is my opinion? I could definitely feel the tingle. I could definitely feel it, like the peroxide bubbling up. So, and if I see results, I mean, for $1, if it works, that's 100% great. So, if you're wondering what I'm using today to vape on, it is my Smock Badge, the pink rubber one, and I have Salt Nick in it. So, but yeah, so let me know in the comments below, have you guys ever tried this? I lost the cap already. Don't know where it went. Don't know if one of my cats took it. Don't know. But have you guys ever tried this? Do you want to try it? Would you try it? Or have you tried any other type of whitening system? What was the price of it and did it work? I mean, I know people that have paid hundreds of dollars to go get their teeth whitened. If this works just as good, I mean, I could be getting it done for $1. So, all right, guys. Well, at the end, you'll see the pictures, the comparisons. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Look, you see my cat behind us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of our Glam Squad. And you'll want to hit that bell in the middle for the post notifications. Turn them on, and always to be notified every time I post, which is like 4 or 5 times a week now. Check out my Snapchat for behind the scenes and my Instagram for pictures. And yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video. Believe it or not, it really helps. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, dollies.